Factories are the backbone of our economy, and they're popping up everywhere. Every day we see new factories boosting production and creating jobs. Thanks to automation and AI, factories are more efficient than ever before. They can produce in an hour what used to take a whole day. With global demand skyrocketing, we're seeing more factories and bigger profits, but it's not all smooth sailing. Some factories face tough challenges. High energy costs and pollution regulations can eat into profits. A single mistake in production can lead to significant losses overnight. The competition is fierce, and not every factory will survive. The key to thriving? Embrace technology and sustainability. Only those who adapt will stand the test of time in this fast-paced industry.
If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Join our community by subscribing and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support means the world to us.